Well, hello, and welcome to the stream. I'm Andy Arconix, Alu the Crow, Alucard MG36, and many other names. And today is Monday, June 20th, 2022. What's going on, everybody? Shy, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope everybody had a good weekend. We're just going to be coding today and vibing. But, oh man, what a weekend indeed. So, we were able to get some things out of the way. We were able to go and make some things work, and we still have more work to do. And I'm excited to go and continue on this work here. Now, we're still working on the same project, which is the Magic the Gathering project. But you know, we've made some serious headway in it, and I'm pretty proud of how far we've come. It's been quite the time. And honestly, we got a lot farther than I thought we would have. And that's pretty cool to me. So there's some more stuff for us to do. And, you know, we're going to, just keep applying ourselves to it. Because who knows? Maybe at the end of the day, we'll be able to configure more dependencies and get things out there for us to use. Because, again, for this to just work, we need something underneath as a database provider. Now, there are other aspects. Shy, why you do this? Koaz? What's Koaz? But yeah, we're going to be doing this for a little bit. Kind of hoping for the best here. Smar, what's going on? But yeah, in any case, what we're going to be doing is, of course, we're going to be working with the Magic the Gathering application, trying to get that off the ground, and still working on this, and still working with the Blazor side of things here, too. But I think one of the main things that we should be doing is, hold on. There we go. Is probably going to be just, how do I put this? Well, realistically, we want to keep hitting APIs correctly. We want to keep uploading files correctly. And, of course, we also want to make sure that we're doing as much to preserve memory and our constraints as possible. Now, what does that actually get us to? Well, we'll see what happens today. I think today what we're going to focus on is we're going to focus on redoing the rules page. And we're going to just try and get that worked out just a little bit better. Because right now it looks pretty bad. Let's just be real. It actually looks awful. So we're going to go and fix that up. And then we're going to go and try and work on some other parts to this and hope that, you know, we can maybe clean some other things up. So let's, streamer with no name, what's going on? How was your stream earlier? You can say you're not a streamer, but I saw you go live. So, anyway, chat, without much further to go off of, let's get right into it. So it's pretty simple that this, it's pretty simple to understand, right? That this is going to be essentially the backing the data grid here for our work. It's going to be the data grid for our rulings. It wasn't true, but if you were, you would have been trying to replicate bugs in a 20-year-old game that still has an active community, yet somehow no one ever found this one. Oh boy. Alright. So let's go run this, and then we'll go and check and see what's going on underneath the hood. Couldn't replicate the second one, sadly. Ah, gotcha. Just me, or does it seem brighter in here today? Maybe it is just me. Okay, so we go. Oh yeah, that's right. I took off the rules page. Whoopsies. Headphones. Ooh. Cute Gecko, what's going on? Hey. Gecko, very cute, chat. 2,400 cards. 24,000 cards only? What happened? There we go. Cool. All right, let's come over here. So yeah, you did. The red wasn't doing... Yeah, I feel you. I'm doing well, you know. Hope you are too, Cute Gecko. All right, so chat. Yeah, you see how this is not so good? We want to make this better. So let's figure that out, chat. Let's go and figure that out. So first, we definitely don't need that column anymore. Okay, second, Gecko, thanks for the host. All right, that should be hot loaded. There we go. And instead of that, we'll just say rolling number. Okay, cool. We got that. And here we'll say 1,000 pixels. Give it a hot reload. There we go. Let's go, baby. Check that out. All right, cool. So now we want to do something else here. Data grid date column. Display template. And we'll do context that, whoops. 7 siblings, oh boy. That's a decent amount of siblings. All right, there we go. That should fix that. And so rebuild and apply our changes. There we go. That looks good. Nice. Nice question, right? The bot certainly has the best questions out there, doesn't it? Nice. You only have one sibling from both parents. The rest are half, but you love them all equally. You've never met 2 of your sisters, though? Oh, interesting. I've never met my siblings. Okay, so we're good there. Show pagers, show page sizes. Narrow, responsive, hoverable, striped. Yep. Current rulings from MTG. That'll do. Okay, so that's fine. Huh. Interesting. We're memeing Smar now? Oh, no. RKO'd. Oh, boy. Red shelled. Oh, no. All right. One last thing to check. Red shell pog. Yeah, right. Boosters, enum values, and assets. Oh, cool. Gecko, I feel like you get that question a lot. So it's the worst by default? Maybe it's the best by default, Gecko. You ever think of that? Huh? Huh? Cool. I don't think that's actually true, though. I'm curious, what's in this file? Keyword actions, keyword abilities, and ability words. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. Caden, thanks for the host. How's it going? They're dumb movies, but they're fun to watch. I do like Spaceballs a lot. Now winding down with some Minecraft. Nice. Yoink the brain cells, they're yours now? I don't know if that's how that works, Gecko. But chat, yeah, so what we're doing here now is we're going to go and just start copying some new stuff over. Shimmer, no, you can have them back. I thought so. All right, so now we can go to edit, paste special, paste JSON as classes. There we go. Okay. Question for everybody. What's going on, Sha? A relaxing one? What's everyone's guilty pleasure show? Probably some sort of harem anime for me. Maybe Fairy Tail. I know yours is Mako Mermaids. It's so dumb and Disney cringy, but you can't stop watching. Hey, that's what matters, though. Is that as long as you enjoy it, right? Falcon and the Winter Soldier. A lot of Marvel fans hate it, but I like that it got political, and seeing Sam as Captain America is awesome. Yeah, I don't I mean, first of all, it's Marvel. You know, political allegories are going to be there for sure. But, like, second of all, yeah. There we go. Nice. Could almost make these records, but you needed to be political. Yeah, right? Okay, cool. So now that we have that, let's come down. There we go. Nice. Okay, that'll do. Nice. And we can do that. Actually, we'll come back up here. Public async task and hit download keywords data. Cancellation token was default. Using var. Sorry, chat. Okay, so we got that. And then using var response equals await client dot send async message cancellation token if response is success status code. Await using var content equals await response dot content dot read is stream async cancellation token. Await deserialize stream to file content. Perfect. And then, so now this is going to be the interesting thing, right? Is that we have this idea here, right? But I think what we want instead is we want to actually go and make something new, a little different. They can actually input a file name, right? So maybe something like private async task serialize stream to file async string file name stream cancellation token. All right, and then we'll just go and grab this, paste that there. You love how Marvel is talking more and more about real subjects. They've always talked about those subjects. Ms. Marvel is amazing so far. Uh, there we go. You're not going to say anything because it's only been out 2 weeks, but it's cool. Nice. All right, so that'll be fine. So we do this. Printing and not complete, but compressed. Cool. There we go. And this will be... Oh, you know what we don't need to do here? Actually, it is good to keep this way, but I think what we want to do is actually what we're going to do. Replace keyword service. Okay, we'll do that. Service provider. Okay, we'll go and grab that. No, we'll keep it that way, actually. Unzipping service. We'll just call this file processing service. There we go. All right, cool. No, that should be fine. Actually, hold on, chat. We're gonna grab this. Okay. And we can go over here. Do that. Read only IHTTP client factory. Do that. DB context factory. DB client factory. Replace keywords. There we go. Cool. All right, so we got that. And then here, we'll just do something like file names to process dot keywords. Okay. Deserialize stream async. All right. So then come back here. We'll grab this, but instead of copying it over to an additional file, all right, we'll do this. We'll take advantage of string and turning here. And we'll do that. And we'll get rid of this. And we'll copy this. And instead, we'll do stream dot how do we do it in our normal API service? Does anybody remember? No, am I the only one? God damn it. I might be the only one. Let's see. Do I have it in here? I do. Cool. No rush because it's super limited, but when you get a moment, Shai, could you check Discord? Oh, okay. That's not me. How to Be a Bitch, starring insert real name here. Oh no. Nothing notable has happened in your life, so you're not sure? Hmm. Okay. Stream is on. Stream that can read is false. Return async enumerable dot empty. Cool. Just message back. Oh boy. Y'all got some stuff going on. And actually, I think I only want to take this one. Return. Okay. That would be probably inspirational. Oh boy. All right, so let's get rid of this. Is there something else I can do? HTTP method, string request URI. How are we doing this here, chat? HTTP client, send async, HTTP completion option. There we go. Nice. So now that'll enable us to stream the results. Okay. And then we yield return. So that should be fine. Has one or more parameters of type cancellation token. All right. We'll mark this with a numerator cancellation. Import that. Do that. We return that. Cool. So now this should allow us to stream the results back, right? So we'll take them back as we get them in, which is really cool. Because now what we can do is we can grab this signature. And actually, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do that. We're going to do that. And we'll say that can't be null. That's fine. Deserialize stream to string. Yeah, you can find people attractive without being attracted to them. Yeah, that's true. Could not process response from MTG JSON. There we go. That'll do. Okay, so now we close that. And we do this, add new class. I replace keyword service. Shady, what's going on? Public interface. Society told you to norm. Yeah, that'll do. Cool. It is hard to unlearn things. It really is. Summers, what's going on? All right, we'll get rid of this for now. Why would I want to split the string? All right. You know what? We're just going to do that. And we'll do that. There we go. Pretty easy. Okay, so now it'll come down here. It'll run these. Yield returns. So we have an async iterator. Cool. So that means that we come back up here. All right, and then we'll come down here. And this should be the quickest one. Private async task. Consume keywords service. Await using var scope. Those underscore services that create async scope. Var scoped processing service equals scope dot service provider dot get required service. I replace keyword service. Await scoped processing service dot download keywords data. Cancellation token. Just kidding, it'll be stopping token. Actually, no, you know what we're going to do? You know what we're going to do? This is what we're going to do. We'll have this return a task. Of course it will. It won't be of type T. We'll do this. It won't be of type T. Underscore DB context factory, create DB context, cancellation token. Why am I doing it as T? What the hell is it called? Keywords. Root keywords data. Yield break. Worst pain off the bat that you can think of is cramps when you were 11. I feel you. Always gotta love this music, right? You know what? We're just gonna do pass. List. Ability words, keyword abilities, keyword actions. 9 is the worst pain you've ever had. That was kidney stones. I feel you. Okay, then we... Let's see. So this will return 3 arrays, right? Yeah. So this will return root keywords data. Okay. Got it. Okay. Let's see. Chat, let's see. I think ability words, keyword abilities, keyword actions. Okay. So why don't we go and create something like this. We'll just call this keyword. Okay. Public class keyword. And that'll be of 2 things. That'll be public name, public string, record type. Okay. That's fine. Come back here. Oh boy, chat. We'll do this as a list of keyword. Deserialize stream to keywords. There we go. Chat, I'll see you after the ad break. Hey, chat, we're back. Let's go. All right, so I just changed this around because now we're actually going to do our processing here. And I think this makes sense. Oh, Castiel, what's going on? Gecko is very cute. You mean bad, Gecko? Wait, can I do select many over the whole collection? You might one day. Yeah, Brotherhood is typically the one that's regarded as better. New. Brotherhood is one that's closer to the manga. That makes sense. New keyword. Name equals keyword. Record type equals ability word. Probably have an existential crisis about the nature of being real. Oh. Local constants. Probably have a crisis too, right? Private. convert keyword root to keywords. Realizing how not okay you are because your first thought wasn't a good one, but you probably still do. Oh. There we go. And we'll do that. And we'll do that. This will be ability words. This will be keyword abilities. And this will be keyword actions. Cool. We'll do return list dot I guess I can do add range. How do I do that? And cat lists. Oh, I could just do concat. I am very smart. There we go. There we go. Turn list dot concat Cool. Keywords. Okay, come back up here. Get rid of that. Down here. Public virtual DB set keyword. Keywords. Get set. No. Giga, what's going on? Getting lazy on the stream announcement live in 30 minutes? Yeah, I know. That was my bad. What's going on, Giga? How you doing? Model. Builder dot apply configuration new. Configurations dot keyword configuration. Okay. Work again, like always. I feel you. Keyword configuration. And this will do that every time. Public partial. Keyword. Okay. Entity dot to table. Oh, you know what? Whoops. Public int 32 ID get set. Ignore. Your rib, did it dislocate again? Is clustered. Has name. PK. Just struggle to pop it back in place and it's still out. Oh no. Keyword ID. Metadata. Entity dot property e dot name Okay. Oh, I can definitely do column order too. Cool. You know what you would do if you woke up invisible? What would you do, Shy? Okay, so we got that. Now we do entity dot has index. Name. IX. Keyword. Name. Include properties. No, you know what? We do it on the record type. There's less of it. There we go. Would your poops be invisible too? If so, you know what I'd do? God damn it, Giga. You silly goose. All right. Is this better to do? Maybe? Okay. That'll work. Has column name. Keyword type. Or actually, we'll just call this type. There we go. Okay. Add migration. Let's come back here and double check. Okay. Add migration. Sword. Rob a couple different banks across the state. Do it in an easy pattern. So like Mondays at 2:22, but it would only happen for 2 weeks. And then on the third week, rob one at 9 a.m. After that, no need to rob banks anymore. So on to step 2. Oh boy. I mean, I think that's reasonable. Why wouldn't you? But the money is still visible. True. Here, I'm just going to grab this. And you'll see what I get to do here. Hooray, SQL genius. Let's go. Oh, you never know. People are terrified of things, so. Create table, mtg dot. Keywords, but then it's poop. God damn it, Giga. This freaking Giga guy, let me tell you. What a Chad. ID int not null. Identity. Name. And varchar 256. Not null. Type. And varchar 256. Not null. Not mean to burst bubbles, just pointing flaws that need to be wrinkled out. You right, you right. I don't blame you, Giga. Oh, if I'm asked why I'm getting money. Oh, I'm a sugar baby? Oh boy. Create index ix keywords type on mtg dot keywords. Type include name. We'll do create non-clustered. And then constraint pk keyword ID primary key ID. Oh, so you missed your step 2, Alan? Did I? Whoops. Nice. Okay, now the database exists. Also, when the money become invisible with you? No, not necessarily. Step 2, ideally I would have cash, so I would store the cash in location, hopefully only you can find, maybe your gym or something, then every week send it yourself as an alias 600 bucks. If I'm asked why you're suddenly getting money, oh, I'm a sugar baby. Keep in mind, you are going to have to pay taxes on that money. There is a law in the books. That's how the IRS got Al Capone, is they made illegal income taxable. So you do have to pay taxes on that income, or else the IRS will find you. Oh yeah, I need to upload that emote. The only reason why I haven't is because I've just been particularly focused on this. Whoopsie! Okay, so we come back down here. Go into here, we can get rid of this. Internal. Yep. Just remember, pay taxes. Um. There we go. That'll work. Just kidding. All right, so we'll do this. And then we can do the check here. Oh, Jesus. Cerulli! Cerulli, thanks for the raid, bud. I appreciate it. Welcome on in, everybody. How's it going? How was your stream, Cerulli? How was Power Wash? How was Stardew? Hope you're doing well. Skits, what's going on? Jay, how's it going? I love Pepsi232. Thanks for the follow. Welcome on into the Omen Den. Hope you enjoy your follower emotes, and I hope you don't mind me coding like an absolute potato. Welcome on in, everybody. Raiders, how are you doing? How was Cerulli's stream? Hopefully it was lewd with all you butt cakes. But welcome on in, Raiders. I am Andy Alu the Crow, Arconyx. I am a variety streamer here on Twitch. The community was beautiful as usual. Good to hear it, Cerulli. Jay is very cute, by the way. So, I am a variety streamer here on Twitch. I do stream a lot of coding, though, and right now what I'm working on is I'm working on importing keywords from the game Magic the Gathering into our application that we've been working on. But welcome on in, everybody. Sleepy Turtle Cat, thanks for the follow. Welcome on into the Omen Den. Hope you don't mind me struggling with cancellation tokens like the absolute potato developer I am. But yeah, this is what we're doing. RKW2022W, thank you for the follow. Welcome on into the... What's my game? I'm not developing a game, but I am developing an application for a game that I do play. Why are you memeing me? You know absolutely nothing about programming or developing? No worries. Right on. I appreciate it. Ah, Kathy. You know what? Maybe I change this to IEnumerable, right? Right? Maybe I do that. I do that, and then I can do this, enumerable.empty, keyword, boom. What's going on, everybody? How are we doing? How are we doing tonight? Did we all have a good weekend? Hey, Blondie, what's going on? I hope we all had a good weekend. If keywords is null, we return the empty. Otherwise, we return a concatenation of the ability words list, the keywords ability list, and the keyword action list. If you were asking me, I love Pepsi, what my game of Magic the Gathering is, it is EDH, and I don't know if you can see it from over there, but maybe you can see it now. I am a Grixis guy. Make this static, not the boops and tickles. Oh, no. All right, cool. So I think the service is done. So I think the next thing that we need to do is probably go and register it. That seems like a good choice. We got home from our Texas trip Saturday, relaxed the rest of the weekend. Nice. How was Texas? Is it hot? Add scoped. I replace keyword service. Replace key. Damn it. Gecko is very cute. Don't let him fool you. Yeah, chat. We just vibing. We did get a Cerulli raid, Caden. We did. Cerulli just raided us. Very kind and thoughtful of him to do so. Thank you for shouting out Cerulli again. Exclamation point Cerulli, by the way, Caden. All right, so we got that. Also, Cerulli, how's your new game going? Giga out here spanking people? Oh no, not like this. Okay, so we got that. No skitsy command. Uh-oh. Yeah, the one you and Glass are working on. Okay, so we got that. That's fine. Can I convert this into a using statement? Oh, I can. Hog. Wait, can I make this an await using statement? Damn. All right, but I can make it a using statement. That's amazing. Let's frickin' go, man. Fart. Oh, well. Ooh, you need to go poke at the art some more? Right on. Aw. I don't know why it's not going off right now, Caden, but thank you so much for gifting that sub to Jay. Jay, welcome on into the Omen Den again. Hope you enjoy your emotes. Oh, skits. Those commands don't exist because I don't use Rainmaker. Whoopsie. I need to get rid of that bot. Instead, I use streamer.bot. My bot is all coded. I should be able to list them all, but Jay, you're not going to find them. What the hell was I doing? Oh yeah, set a startup project. Glass, what's going on? Documentation in this economy? I know, right? Nice. Fish moly. We love fish moly. Yes, support Glasswool. Chat, if you haven't already heard of it, I highly recommend you go and check out Glasswool's game on Steam, The Tales of Greenbrier, and Glasswool and Cerulli are working on a game themselves, and when that's available on Steam, we'll obviously link it here too. Highly recommend you go and check that out as well. Go and please wishlist those on Steam. It's a great way to show support to those who are up-and-coming developers in the video game scene. And also, Glasswool is just an amazing person to have, as is Cerulli, in your life. They are amazing and good people. All right, hold on, chat. Hold on. The name is reserved, Jay, but we need the store image assets before you can set it live. Ah, okay. Oh, that's right. I don't have, my bot doesn't have that. We'll do that. There you go. Oh, all right, chat. Sorry. All right, let's go and run this, shall we? All right, let's see where this errors out, chat. So what we're trying to do now is we're just trying to populate some data. Oh, you know what I should do is I should set up the delete. Nice. Lucy, what's going on? Why Java developers wear glasses? Why? Because they can't see sharp? Lol. What's going on, Spirit of the War? How are you doing? Whoa, look at our allocation. All right, chat. Let's come back here. And let's go and check something else out. So we're going to go to replace keyword service. We'll come back up. Private async task, clear keywords. Magic, the gathering, DB context, context. Context dot keywords dot to truncate table annotation helper dot table name. And then we'll get context dot keywords. Wait. Oh, wait. Context dot save changes async is in C#. Became too sugary? No. Kathy, please. All right, we'll wait that now. There we go. Nice. Can be made static. Actually, since it's kind of free to do. Nah, you know, yeah, it is kind of free to do, isn't it? Having this self-contained. Okay. Then it's a fresh context every time. All right. And it's no longer static there. Thank you for shouting out Summers, by the way. Okay, so we're good there. We're good there. That's fine. So we're good here. Using. Wait, using. God, I would hate to. You prefer C mild over C sharp? Pairs better with red wines, in your opinion? Giga. Well. All right, so we're good there. Thank you for shouting out Lucy, Liz. And Giga. Oh, man, chat. So think about it this way, right? All we're doing here is we're taking the contents of whatever isn't... No, don't do that. Select star from mtg.keywords. Okay, so what we're doing is there's this keywords file here, right? And so we're taking the contents from here and we're just applying them into our database. It shouldn't be that hard to do. It's pretty simple. I'm setting this up as a background service because background services are the hip and new thing in .NET 6. Woohoo! Well, not really new in .NET 6, but you get my point, right? Is that it's just a fun thing to do. And if this is going to be a standalone application, we want the user to have as seamless of an experience as possible. How the hell do I... Oh. You know, we can come down here to the end of it. No. We can do file dot delete. There we go. Nice. So it'll download and it'll delete it. Perfect. And we'll do this up here, actually. There we go. I don't think you can even screenshot what Gecko just sent you. Oh, no. What's going on, everybody? Let's run it. God damn it. I need to add logging statements. Processing keywords file. Starting at. Finished and deleted. Okay. Let's come back up here. Of course, you can't word. Oh, no. Why am I getting a Discord message? All right, let's see if we can do this and get away with it. All right, chat. We're going to run them all in parallel. Not while I'm streaming, please. Oh. All right, good to know. Yep. We never registered the service, chat. And because we didn't register the service in our dependency injection container, it had no idea what the hell it was going to do. So we got to do that. Also, excuse my formatting. But I prefer to chain my calls like this. All right, cool. Let's do it. Let's run it, chat. Falcon Punch. Something along those lines, right? It does this again. Stop that. Okay, cool. Let's go and check this out then. Chat, shall we? So it got everything we needed. It's unzipping, deleting. There we go. Look at that. Truncating. Grab the keywords. Pog. Receive them. Processing. Vampire Tiger Y. Oh, I can't get the keywords file. That's right. Okay, so let's go to the API. And let's go and look for keywords. Ah, it's a capital K. Nani? Nani? You run from chaos, it just follows you. What's going on, Vampire Tiger? All right, let's try this again. It's important that we try this as many times as possible so that way we go and get it correct the first time when we actually go and release it. Yes, shy do be purple. Failed executing the command. Oh, because it's interpolated SQL. We don't want to do that. Now I think about it, that's a dumb idea. We want to do execute SQL async. SQL raw async. That's right. Gecko is very lewd. Gecko is very cute. Mora is cute. Hey, look at that. Let's go, baby. Yes, thank you for shouting out Reaper, by the way. Also, chat, we are supporting a charity known as Mermaids in the United Kingdom. The charity is dedicated to trans, non-binary, and gender-questioning youth. I highly recommend you go and check them out, whatever you can. They are, of course, an amazing charity. And I highly recommend you go and, of course, check them out. It's a cause that's near and dear to my heart. Hey, look at that. How cool is that, chat? Now we got him. Sick. That's what we like to see, baby. That's what we like to see. Obviously, we don't like to see this, but you know what? That's because we stopped it early. Shout out Kathy or something. Yeah, Kathy doesn't stream Reaper. Summers, why? Reaper, you do stream, though. You've raided me before. Not just hosted, but you've raided me. Okay, so now we just let this run for a little bit. Because what this will do is this will run our background service. There it goes. Jay, thanks for the host. Thank you so much. Nice. Wow, Kathy Wolflink, thanks for the host. I appreciate it. Nice. How cool is that, chat? And Yuyasha, thanks for the host. Thank you all for your hosts. I appreciate it. All right, chat. So cool. We got this displaying. Nice. Works out pretty swell. Good here. Annex and Siamese. Nice. Awesome. But chat, what we're going to do with this then is we are going to... Glasswell, thanks for the host. I appreciate it. Wolf, why'd you snipe me? All right. Awesome, chat. So this is what we're going to do, is we're going to go and adjust this page when we get back from our commercial break. We are going to finish adjusting this page. Because I don't know about you, but I think this looks like shit. I'm not an artist, but I don't think this looks great. So, when we come back from our commercial break, we'll do this. But until then, be excellent to each other, and I'll see you shortly. And we're back. What's going on, chat? How are we doing? You can say Shy is cute for free a long time ago. The cute, stinky, lewd, small panda really enjoys those jump scares. Showered too, Kathy. Okay, so chat. Let's go and check something out, right? Let's go and check out Eldritch or Throne of Eldraine. Cool. So now we have some statistics for how colors are distributed, mana costs are distributed, and keyword effects are distributed. This is awesome. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our keywords, our ability words, and we're going to, of course, use that for some of our data as well. But first, let's go back to our ruling. Why? Because this page looks terrible. And since it looks terrible, we need to make it look better. So how are we going to do that, chat? That's the question, right? That is the question to ask, is how are we going to fix this page? And the answer is probably going to come from, well, we need to make our table stick out a little bit better. We need to make our columns a little bit more readable. You know, there's a lot of stuff that we need to do behind the scenes. And things that we can clean up. Take off this dynamic filter because we don't really need that right now. But we have on-read data. You big stinky lewd tiger. Summer's very cute. So let's go and consider some of these things, shall we? So when we, well, okay, all right. I'm getting a little ahead of myself because right now we can't even get to that page because I took it off for the MVP that we did release, by the way. But we will be, of course, editing that as time goes on. So let's come down to analytics, copy this. Gecko very lewd though, chat. Keep that in mind. Let's say card rulings here. Rulings. There isn't a gavel. I'll do ruler here. Ha ha ha, Shy, I changed the command. Ha 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 ha. Damn it, Kathy. All right. So, this is the page we're working with. There you go, Summers. Sleepy Turtle Cat, have a wonderful night. Thanks for coming on in, and I appreciate the good luck with the dev stuff. I might have just had the wrong value in there, chat. Let's see. Yeah, I did have the wrong value. Oops, I already had it. All right, I have to come back to that, chat. In the meantime, we have this to figure out. Look at how small that is. That's no good. Get rid of this. And we'll come back into Visual Studio. Yeah. I think it's a meme, actually. Are you excited for a package to come in? You ordered some perfumes from this brand you've been wanting to try, because try not to spend $100 in perfumes. You know? Can't think of the last time I bought cologne. It was a minute ago. I have to look out for my cat because he likes to curl up underneath my feet. But he wasn't there, so we're good. Perfume is very expensive, chat. Let's see here. Anyway, coming back to this. So what we have here. What we want to do is we want to go and try and format our data grid in such a way, right, that it actually can present itself nicely. And I think one of the other ways that we can do that is by, you know, causing it to wrap. So what we're going to do is we're going to have the ruling text. We're going to have the ruling text be in a wrapped display template. Text color equals light, italic, and then we'll also do something along the lines of overflow. Text overflow equals text overflow dot wrap, and we'll do overflow dot scroll. There we go. Context.rule text. Perfect. And then we'll just say sortable equals false. Summers, it's not my place to step in, so I'm not going to say anything on that. It's the only reason why I'm relatively silent. So we have this, we have this. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, so now this should wrap underneath. This will be italicized. Is italics really the best choice here? Let's do text weight. Text weight. I'll just put it this way. Summers. Liz just got your pronouns off. Yeah. Yeah, Liz just called you sir, and yeah, pronouns. Sorry, I didn't say anything on it because my mind is in the code right now. Unfortunately. Oh, cool. Well, at least it wrapped. God damn it. We'll go to Blazorize. All right, let's go and check out. And let's go. Getting started. And let's go and check this out and see what we can do for this. Because there should be a way to get this to wrap. Yeah, I'm going to have to change that lewd command. Because show captions, yeah. Show pager, show page sizes. Yeah. And why does this have to be? God, that's annoying. Why it break? What do you mean? It wasn't working correctly in the first place. Because I got the variable wrong when I went to plug it in, Jay. Okay, so we got this over here. Show page sizes. What we're trying to do... Double target user? No. Okay, cool. So that does sort. Okay, that's the one we don't want to sort on. Cool. All right, that's fine. Jay worked 12 hours again? Oh no, Jay. That's too much. Have a good night, Jay. Thanks for hanging out. All right, so what else can we do? Fusion 360 is pretty cool. Yeah, I agree. Most of the time it's 55. Sweet Christmas. That's so long. Do I not? Oh, no. Oh, man. I know what I did wrong here. God damn it. Hmm. Hmm. All right. So, chat, let's go and... All right, while we're here, let's go and create a new page. And we'll just call this page keywords. Hey, back, I'm Andy. I know what I did wrong here. I got out of bed, me most days. Right, Glass? All right. So we have current keywords. We'll give it a container. Container fluid, give it a margin. Margin that is 2 on Y is 3 on X. On desktop is 4 on Y is 5 on X. On mobile. Oh, you're not very good at things. Apology. You have nothing to apologize to me for. You're fine, Liz. If keywords is null, span, spin kit, loading keywords. Type equals spin kit type dot chase centered color size do that else. Okay, so we got that there. And then we'll just do a code behind file, because why not? Keywords.razor.cs. Visual Studio will automatically put it behind there, which is nice. Keywords are going to be very similar to rulings, so I'm just going to grab this code and then we'll adjust it. Actually, I might as well grab the whole thing. Public partial class, so that way it can actually be identified. We'll have it implement component base or inherit from it. Grab this. We'll change this to keywords. Actually, we'll change this to keyword. Nice. Magic the Gathering, DB context. keywords. Glass coming in here with that looker emote. Oh boy. That, we'll do that. And try to do a few more herb sets. Oh boy. All right, let's come back down into here. Grab these. Paste this. I'll change this to load keywords. Cool. Keyword. I don't know if you're autistic or ADHD, but you get too easily distracted and have tough time concentrating. It do be like that. Okay, there's that. Keywords. Keywords count. You're studying for your final in herbs. Nice. Keyword. Keyword. Keywords. Oh wait, load keyword. All right, so we're good there. We'll come up here. Keywords. Count. Type. Keyword. On read data. Keyword.id. Keyword dot record type. Actually, we'll change this to name. This will be the record type. Okay, we'll make that equal to false. Cool. All right, so we're good here. Current keywords. And Magic the Gathering. Don't try to memorize them. Yep. All right, cool. All right, let's go and check this out. Drum gun, Monka S. Oh boy, look at that. All right. And we'll do display keyword name type. What the hell? Okay, so we got that. Glasswheel got bonked by Glasswheel. Glass, no. Oh. Oh my. All right, chat. So we're doing that since when was it 1 a.m. since you last looked? God damn it, I keep opening the wrong one. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Yo, what's going on, adders? How you doing? What do you mean go to sleep? Hush up, you silly goose. Bitch. This guy, I swear. Mods, can we get a shout out to Adders the Fox, please? Last playing Kingdom Hearts, you say? Oh boy. Oh yeah, we prematurely stopped it, that's why. Thank you for the shout-outs to Adders the Fox. What's going on, Adders? How you doing? One WTF is that, too, revives Lisbella. Oh boy. I don't remember the last time you even streamed here. It was a few months ago, yeah? Nice. Use Dance of the Fire God on me? Strong. Alright, that looks alright. Now I just need to, you know, make it better. I don't mind this. Now the question is there a way for us to go and grab... it's not going to be rule text. It'll just be grouped rule. No rulings found? Well, that's not right. Okay, so we come back here. Type. keyword number. Actually, I'll just call this ID. ID, keyword, and type. And then... So now we have that. Dryfall. Go to the REST API documentation. So there's the card rulings, right? But what we want are keywords. Does the gatherer have an API? It might. Okay. Not there. Types, subtypes, rate limits. What are your rate limits? 5,000 requests per hour. Oh boy. Head button? Oh no. Could do that. God, I love Kusaki's emotes. Where is the gatherer, actually? There we go. Gatherer. Let's go check this out, chat. God damn it, Hasbro. I hate you so much. It's by Multiverse ID. I don't really think there's a way for us to go and grab it from their API. They probably keep that shit hidden for a good reason. God damn it. Right. Leadership skills, that's just for commander. That's not something that I want. I don't want set code. Set information's okay, but I don't really need that. Oh, this is done. Seal product. Could do that. That'd be cool. But really, so now we have a list of keywords, right? So I guess what we would want to do... What do the card objects have in them? Okay, so I do have a keyword array. First strike. Where... Name... equals first strike. Okay, cool. All right, so now what if we did like a select top 25, c.name, c.keywords from mtgc. You see, here's the thing, right? Is that this doesn't tell us what the keyword text is. We need to go and pull that. So let's see here. The comprehensive rules API. Right, because they have rulings, and we see rulings, we get rulings, that's not a problem, but we want... I want the rulings. Or not the rulings, I want the rules. You know what I mean? It's a little different. So I don't want the rulings on a particular card, I want the actual rules for the game. Right? And so one of them might be, I might have to go and download the comprehensive rules as a PDF. Right? Or a text file. Note, it is not meant to be read from beginning to end. Right? I kind of want that. It's otherwise part of this documentation, right? Because part of what we want essentially what we want is reminder text. So I guess one of the ways we could get that is by just going out and manually copying it to some sort of file, but then we'd have to do that every time. Right? And it's interesting that MTG.json doesn't have it, because you would think it would. Right? Good night, Mora. Good night, Gecko. Thanks for hanging out, all. I appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Right, but you would think... Okay, so chat. Here's the thing, right? We, in Magic the Gathering, we have keywords, right? And on some cards, those keywords are printed with reminder text, which is really just the ruling behind, or not the ruling, but the rules for how those keywords work, the functionality for them, okay? And so take something like Death Touch, for example. Any amount of damage this creature does to another creature is enough for it to be destroyed, right? That would be the reminder text. So that would be included on a card, but maybe not on a reprint of a card, or on a certain edition of a card, or on a textless card, but it would still be part of that card object. So we want to see where we can get said reminder text that isn't on the card itself, right? That's the whole reason why we downloaded the keywords table, is to grab the reminder text. Now, that being said, again, of course, you know, kind of 6 in one, half a dozen in the other. Maybe it was fine just leaving it as the cards, but I kind of see it as hard to justify it that way, when really what we want to do is we want to display as much data to an eventual user as possible, so as to get the information across and so as to provide a cleaner way of filtering. Now, something that we could do, right, is we could filter here. All right. And so we could just load the keywords up as a list. Right? We could load that up. And then we could write a query such that, you know, we get join mtg keywords k on c.name or c.keywords well, we wouldn't be able to do that. We'd have to write a correlated subquery, right? So it'd be something like where go and take a look at these, right? So we get a list here. So let's think about this then, chat. What we have and what we want. We want to go and filter through the list with things, with pretty much any of the keywords that are contained within those, right? So for a bit of enhanced functionality on the card page, we would add another column, filter it, and allow it to be filtered on there by keyword or multi-keywords. All right. So what would that look like? Well, we would come to the card list itself, and very similar to how we have Loose Row Dead, right? Very similar to how we have the filter template for here and here, we would combine these. So that way it would be includes keywords. You would get multi-select. And, or we could just do it like this. That wouldn't be too awful, would it? All right, let's go and copy this. Mana cost, set code, data grid column, display template, Loose Row Dad. Oh my god, no, Giga. Filter template, item, keyword, value string, available keywords, item dot name, value field, dot name. Keywords to search. Multiple selection keywords. You got news? What you got, Giga? Made a fairly decent audio take earlier. Your best one yet? Nice. Good work, Giga. Repeater T item equals string. Items equal context dot keywords dot split options Remove empty entries. Is this the best way to do it? No, not really. Yeah, because keywords is already a string, so we could just do text, context, okay, cool. Text transform. We'll make them uppercase. Text weight dot light. And then we'll make them italic. Cool. Yeah, only like 2 breaths are auditable, but you can mute those out. Nice. Good work, Giga. You think you gotta go for tonight? Suddenly energy zap and trying to repair your Minecraft since it's been fidgety for a couple weeks. Oh no. Alright, Skits. Have a good night. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. Good seeing you. Kitty want to snuggle with the Giga, I guess? I'm sorry, Giga. Oh boy. There we go. Alright, and then we'll do keywords. There we go. Nice. Okay, so that's fine. Unload data. Alright, that's fine. You made homemade Chick-fil-A chicken for dinner, and you had a piece on a chicken sandwich, and now you're eating it as it is, and it's so freaking good, and that's awesome. If keywords to search .na queryable cards equals queryable cards .where Sales, what's going on? Wait, this actually is? It searches for precise or fuzzy, less precise. Oh, wait a minute. Untainstable? Hmm. Sorry, chat. I forgot. All right, let's build the query. Let's build the query first. Where see the keywords. Thank you for shouting out Glassware. Okay, good to know. So I guess it would have to be like this, yeah? And if we wanted to do multiple, is forest walk one word? Wow, you're just attacking everyone today? Why you do this? Interesting. Or could we do join ntg.keywords k on how would I do this, chat? Because I would have to do it on the client side if I wanted to do it by splitting, right? Let's think about this. So if we did, no, can't do that. All right, because this expects something like c.keywords equal k.name, something like that, right? Yeah, and so that'll only return the ones that only have one on them. But what we want to return is essentially cards that have keywords. Oh, I guess we could do left join. Left join will return all of those. So let's see here. But what we want... Okay. Declare at... Explosive diarrhea? Oh no. Chat, I'll see you in just a minute. And we're back, chat. Let's go. That can't be right. Whoops. All right, so right now we're just trying to construct a query, right? And we're trying to see what we can do to go and build this query in such a way so let me do this. Get the execution plan. No, we're good. So we want all of this. I'm actually going to go and bring up C dot keywords first. You know what we'll do? We'll build a list, and we'll do it exactly like this. So I think that's what we'll do. So you see how we're doing dot where EF functions like? So now I think we can do the same thing if string dot is, or no, keywords to search dot any. We'll do var keyword keywords to search equals string dot join. Getting that link on, right? All right. If keywords to search dot any. Okay, so we do that. Get rid of that. Okay, so that should be fine. Now I just need to go and populate keywords. So, await for each var keyword in context dot keywords order by k dot id as async enumerable. Available keywords dot add keyword. Okay. Come up here. Available keywords. Perfect. Available keyword. Keyword. Okay, let's run it and see what happens, chat. La 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 la. Lol. I wonder why that is. Maybe it's because we just deleted every card in the database. Ah. That could be it. That could be it, chat. No worries though. It's fine. Where's C.keywords like keywords to search? Shroud. Oh, cool. Oh, so let me go and double check this. Yeah, we still have these, so I'm gonna go and delete these as well. Actually, you know what? We're going to delete this one. We're going to delete this one. We're going to delete this one. Okay, draw 3 more herb sets. You think you're gonna collapse? You mean go to bed? Alright. Have a good night, Caden. What do you mean, GG? Why are you memeing me? What'd I do? Alright, let's come back up here. Keywords. Filterable. Yeah. Deleting all cards? Oh, well, yeah. That's part of it, huh? That's part of figuring out how to not screw things up. So that's fine. Let's see here. Go back to on a net. Keywords. Dot where. C dot record type equals. Yeah. Where record. Why don't I just do this? Make it easy. Ability. There we go. Oh, we might as well make use of it. Damn it. If they're going to be abilities, we might as well make sure that they're useful. Okay. Cool. Nice. So that's good news there, is that now we have that. Database is done. Perfect. Excellent. Everything is cleared out. Our RAM usage is not the best, but not the worst. What would these be under? Keyword abilities. There we go. Okay, so I wasn't entirely wrong calling them keywords. Good enough. I just copy this. God damn it, Andy. Public static, read only, string. Let's do this. Unless I can make these consts, right? But I don't think I can. Wait, what? Since what? What? What the hell? Since when? Since when, chat? What? Since when are you allowed to do that? No way! That's ridiculous. I thought they had to be static. Sheesh. Just this. You saw strings and an enum. I'm not using enums. I'm just confused as to how I'm allowed to get away with this kind of shit. Public const string equals name of. How does that happen? Why am I allowed to get away with that? I get it. Name of is a compile time constant, but that's still so stupid. I hate it, but I love it. Like, goddamn. Talk about getting away with moida. You know what I'm saying? Woo, sheesh. Alright, but for real though? Alright, let's go and look up Defender. Look at that, chat. It filters. Let's go, baby. Alright. Defender. Oh, it shouldn't clear the filter, though. That's awkward. That could be a feature. It's fine. Oh, sure. Now my cat is there. God damn it. Ah. Is it? Oh. God damn it. Okay. Chat. Chat, this is simple. This is simple. Okay, this is simple. Simple baby coding right here. All right, this is simple coding. The easiest kind of code we could do. All right, this kind of code is so easy. That's it. That's all I have to say about it, you know? I ain't got other things to say. Like, sheesh. I don't know what you expected from me. I wish I could do better, but I can't. Trust me. I'm just me. Really, what we would do is we would go and set these variables equal to, you know, what we're choosing, and then making sure we don't overwrite those. And we would just add to this continuously. Now, something else to consider. Something else to consider when it comes to working with this kind of search, though, is going to be essentially how we work through... Wait a minute. Trigger filter change. In any case, what we've started to see, what we're starting to work with, is we're starting to get this general idea of what we can search through our cards on and how we can actually make it work for us in the end, right? Because that's what's important. The other thing that's important here, of course, is to make sure that whoever picks this up essentially can just start it, work with it, run it. There you go. And want to know something fun, chat? Is that this builds cross-platform. This app builds on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Okay? And we were able to verify that by, well, one, really just going and taking a look at some of our Git stuff. But two, we know that this will work cross-platform because we haven't really done anything too outside the ordinary. Now, that being said, can we make it even more cross-platform friendly? Yeah, probably. And we'll probably have to go with a different database provider in addition to SQL Server, just in case, or we could figure out a way to list SQL Express or SQL Server as a required dependency, which is going to take a little bit of time, and hence the word for my titles, because I'm trying to avoid dependencies at this point. Mara, I hope you have a wonderful night. Thanks for hanging out as long as you did. I appreciate it. Sleep well, and take care. But yeah, chat, that's what we're going to try and figure out how to do, is we're going to try and figure out how to list dependencies here, because we are supplying migrations, right? And migrations are, I believe, a Microsoft SQL sort of thing when it comes to Entity Framework. So, is this built like a monolith in ways? Think about it this way, Glass, right? Far easier to maintain in this sense than it would be if we split it off into separate things and just called them all individually. That's kind of... Well, I mean, it's also kind of the philosophy of Blazor, right? C# all the way down. Where'd you error out? See, to me, monoliths aren't necessarily bad. It all depends on the application. Right? And that might be a hot take for modern software engineering. No judgment, was just curious. Fair enough. But yeah, to me, monoliths aren't bad. It really depends on the context of to which you're applying it, right? That being said, obviously if you're doing like 100 projects within a solution, maybe you should take a look at splitting some of that off. But, we do a pretty decent job at doing that anyway, so next thing to do is actually to figure out what to do with our disposal here. That is a bit of a problem, isn't it? That's fine. And I think if we want to extend this out a little further, what we're going to do is we're going to set up some mediator interfaces so that way we can stop going directly through the app and have a little bit better offline support. So, I mean, at the end of the day, right, that's what we want to configure this to be, is an Electron app that just works, right? So that way, this shit doesn't work. Yeah, that's the other problem, is that I see some people are very, very obsessed with getting Docker up and off the ground because it's that new up and coming thing. Containerization is really cool. And I don't mind. I have Docker installed right here. I use Docker. It's great to simulate memory constrained environments, right? That being said, I am building my own .NET language in Docker, so we'll get onto that later. But that'll probably be a YouTube series at some point. But really what we're doing is we're just, well, I'm not building the language in Docker. I'm building it as a test environment. But you get the point. Point is that really what we're doing here isn't too far-fetched, isn't too off the cuff. But there's a lot of good stuff involved here. And while, yes, you'll see there's a lot to the structure and things like that, I think the organization kind of pays for itself in advance by doing this. So I think the next thing that we need to do I do this. Wait, I already proved I could do this. I already demonstrated that. Create window async. Yeah, it's fine. That's for Electron, though. That's kind of annoying, isn't it? Services, add hosted service, add singleton. No, there isn't a way to do that in a good methodology, I don't think. Because what I want to do is I want to dispose of that service. Yeah, well, I'll come back to that at some other point. Really, right now... Oh god, that's a huge file. Why am I opening this? Index ID, format, status, UUID. Yep, that's fine. I already have that data down. So we can get rid of that. Meta. Don't really care. Set translations. This might be something to hold on to because this will be important for accessibility later on down the road. And by later on down the road, I mean tomorrow, because that's what we're going to work on tomorrow, is we're going to work on some of these translations. Not saying I have all the translations, but I am saying that there is a way for us to go and possibly get some good information here. And as you can see, we also have foreign data that can be displayed in Unicode, so we might be able to work with that as well. And this is the official translations. Well, these are translations that MTG.json was able to find. I'm thinking that this will also be good enough for us to go and populate our data grids with them, so as to go and match them up by UUID. And once we get this down, we'll be able to just work with foreign data and make it more accessible across various geographies, right? And that's important to me, is that not just recognizing accessibility from a particular standpoint of it being difficult to actually read through and like color blindness and things like that, but also the ability to reach across languages, cultures, etc., so more people can use software. So that'll be something that we work on again tomorrow. And we'll, of course, go with the set translations guide for that. And then the next thing to do is to populate tokens, because there are a shit ton of tokens in the game. And I mean a metric ton of tokens. And these are, I think, technically the same data as cards. Maybe a few things less, but really, we can go and load those in as well. So yeah. All right, let's get this committed, and then let's get on out of here. So this commit aims to allow for the basic filtering on a keyword ability that a card may have. Oh, might as well do these in order, right? Allow for the storage of keywords from Magic the Gathering. 2, allow for the automatic / background download of keywords. And 4, provide the ability for keywords to be effectively searched and displayed on individual cards and pages. And 5, general optimizations and cleanup. And yes, I actually do write out commit messages like this too. Get it? You want to keep your commits small, commit often. But I also squash all my commits at the end of the day, so my commit messages tend to look large. Conflicts. Tick incoming. Wait. No. Fix commits. Cool. All right, that's getting out of there. And speaking of getting out of there, no Jira ticket? No, I don't use Jira. All right, chat. We're going to head out, but we're going to go and raid my friend Bryn. Bryn Holden is one of the mods here. Brynbot is the best bot. I do like Bryn a lot, so let's go and raid him. Our raid message is, of course, the Comfy Call raid with any sort of love, comfort, or pride emotes that you want to use, because we want to spread love, comfort, and pride wherever we go. I'm going to use blankies as usual, but that's what we're going to do. And I'll be back later today, probably around, hopefully 9:30 p.m. EST. We'll see. And we'll pick up where we left off here. But anyway, I've been Alu, and from the Omen Den, I'll see you next time.